1932 Ford Highboy Roadster. We're going to cruise around and tell you about it like we usually do. Very nicely done. Hot rod style, traditional hot rod style Highboy. Sitting on a street rod manufacturing, fully engineered frame. Up back here it has 10-inch 15 Kelsey-Hayes true spoke wheels. 4-bar suspension. Alden coilovers. Ford 8-inch rear differential with 279 ratio, so it's got a lot of good highway leg to it. Heather gray Topster-II soft top. Fully removable. You can leave it in the hotel room, that type of thing. You can disassemble them and put them in the trunk if you like. Just takes a little bit of time. Traditional Highboy sitting up on the chassis here. Up front it has hairpin suspension. Vega cross steer. Chrome forged axle up front. Nice guide 682C headlamps with shark nose turn signals on it. Those are authentic. Has 6-inch wide, 15-inch wheels up front. We'll get into a lot of the details as we get it up on the lift for you. Cover tire sizes, that type of thing. Nice little louvers on the upper hood panels. 4-piece steel hood panels. Uppers have 3 sets of louvers, as do the sides. Underneath the engine compartment here is a GM 350 V8 built with a lot of goodies on it. Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads, polished intake manifold, 4-barrel carburetor, Mallory, that type of thing. We'll spend some time under the hood. Kind of give you a look up front here. The grille shell is steel. Gimel has specs at Spud's Garage. These are original guide lamps, just mentioned that. Has a cute little driving lamp up front. The grille insert itself is stainless and it has a crank hole in it. Has Wilwood disc brakes up front. Polished backing plates, Bilstein gas shocks. Transmission's a turbo 350 automatic. We just talked about the ratio. This is a fun car to drive. Want to go on a road trip? This would be the car to do it with. No doubt. Easy driver. About a 2-inch chop on the windshield frame here. Pretty typical of a Highboy Roadster with a traditional style like this. Beautiful wood grain finish on the dash assembly here. Stewart-Warner wing gauges. We'll cover more of that as we get the driver's side. Alpine stereo system. Has tweets and speakers back by the passenger. This is a glide engineering seat, so it's fully adjustable seat back and the bottom lifts forward. There's a power accessory pocket underneath the driver over there with seat belts. Doors shut nice, finish is very nice. We'll get you into the trunk here. Kind of give you a peek at the back end. 39 Ford taillights in the back. There's the adjustable coilovers. Professionally built straight rod. Trunk model. It's trimmed out just like the interior. It has Reno-Red leather. Nice overcast day helps a lot. Good morning, a little bit muggy. Good to be out hot rodding. Starts up first time every time. There's a trunk turn off switch or a battery turn off switch in the trunk. Get a look at the speakers over there. Seat belts. Has a nice little wiring panel, modern wiring in it. Gennie 2 shifter. Ididit tilt steering column. Stainless steel billet Banjo wheel. Billet drop down there. A lot of room in here. I'm 6'1". I'm sitting way back here. Very comfy. There's the audio system, the Alpine Audio. Headlight switch is right here. Pretty simple to operate. Like I said, starts first time every time. Fuel gauge is about just over half. We did put gas in it. Watched it go up. 60 pounds oil pressure. 2441 on the odometer as far as miles go. Just under 13 volts. Running about 180, and we've had it idling quite a bit here. Top just comes off of these little screws here, and then of course the attachment on the back of the upper body panels. Nicely equipped underneath the hood here. Completely rebuilt GM Chevy 350 V8. A lot of nice options on it. There's polished Edelbrock intake manifold, Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads. Will give you a better look when we go over to the other side. It's got full roller valve train on it. Block castings of 3970010. Ceramic coated headers, dual exhaust out back, Flowmaster mufflers. Chrome belt drive up front here. Lift the hood up here so you can take a better look. Mallory ignition, chrome one wire alternator, high amp, high output. AFCO aluminum radiator with electric cooling fan. Fun thing about this one is you can drive it. Mentioned that during the walk around. Over on this side, we'll give you a better look at the cylinder heads. 6089 Performer Edelbrock RPM cylinder heads. Better look at the Mallory ignition. Has an Edelbrock carburetor with electric choke. Aluminum water pump there, mechanical fuel pump, mini high torque starter. All right, we're taking it back to its garage. Could be going to your garage. All right, we got this 32 up on the lift here for you to cover the undercarriage. Is a classic street rod, fully engineered chassis underneath it here. Has a 4-bar rear suspension with pan-hard bar. Drum brakes out back. You notice it's all braided lines, that type of thing. These are Alden coilovers. You see the pan-hard bar up top here. The bottom side of the floor pans are finished the same color as the top of the car. This is an 8-inch rear, Ford differential with 279 ratio. Battery turnoffs in the trunk. The cable leads to the back, or leads from the back forward. Flowmaster mufflers, dual exhaust. Brake light switch is right there. You'll notice the brake bias valve setting is there. And here's the master cylinder and power brakes. It's like a Corvette style master cylinder, 1-inch bore kind. There's horns underneath the side here. All the lines are run along the frame rail here. Turbo 350 automatic. Vintage style drainable, or you can drain the transmission pan on, finned aluminum. Finned aluminum bell housing cover and oil pan. Traditional hairpin style. Hairpins up front here, drop front axle, mono leaf front spring. Has Vega cross steer, there's the Vega box. Has Wilwood disc brakes up front with polished backing plates. Mechanical fuel pump. Give you one more quick pass through to the back here. Bilstein gas shocks up front, chrome. Another look at the fin to oil pan, transmission pan, and inspection cover. Trans coolers right there. Eight-inch. Okay, we'll give you an eye level view here. Rod-Bod, all steel body. Front tires up front are 195/60 R15. These are 6-inch Kelsey-Hayes wheels. Tire date code on these are 2023. So they're fresh up front. Out back here, fairly large BF Goodrich radial tires are 285/70 R15. Date code on these are a bit dated, but they look good. It's been inside its whole time, so it has safe tires up front. If you want to put rubber on the rear, you could. Exhaust comes out the back there, the Alden coilovers. Appreciate you listening to me. Make sure you go to Spud's Garage. We'll have plenty more info. Take a look there, the exhaust and everything. Nothing hangs down super low. Plenty of ground clearance. All right, we'll get you in the trunk here. Underneath this center panel here is a battery and full audio system. We'll have a picture of that at Spud's Garage. Does come with a full car cover. And it also has a full cockpit cover for when you take the top off if you're trying to protect the interior. Keep the seat from getting hot, that type of thing on a road trip. There you go.